Welcome to this guide on connecting your Xbox Series S or X to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots. Connecting your console can be tricky due to captive portals, which are login pages that require authentication before granting internet access. Since Xbox consoles have limited web browser capabilities, this video will guide you through the process, including workarounds and best practices for a stable connection. Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots use captive portals for authentication. When you connect, you're redirected to a login page. Xbox consoles lack a full web browser to handle these portals directly, especially complex ones requiring 2FA. This is the core challenge we'll address. The recommended method for connecting your Xbox to an Xfinity hotspot is using the Xfinity Wi-Fi app on your smartphone. First, download and open the Xfinity Wi-Fi app on your smartphone. Authenticate on the app by logging in with your Xfinity credentials. The app can then bridge the connection to your Xbox, often via Bluetooth pairing or QR code scanning. This bypasses the need for the Xbox to interact with the captive portal directly. This section covers the step-by-step process of connecting your Xbox to Xfinity Wi-Fi using the Xfinity app. First, download and open the Xfinity Wi-Fi app on your smartphone. Next, connect your phone to the Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot network. Then, authenticate your account using the app's login screen. Follow the app's instructions to pair or bridge the connection to your Xbox. This typically involves scanning a QR code displayed on your Xbox or enabling Bluetooth pairing. Finally, on your Xbox, select and connect to the same Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Some Xfinity hotspots support MAC address bypassing. This method allows your Xbox to connect directly after initial authentication on another device. First, authenticate the hotspot using a compatible device like a laptop or smartphone. Connect to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network and complete the login process through the captive portal. Next, locate your Xbox's MAC address. This is a unique identifier for your console's network adapter. Navigate to Settings, General, Network Settings, then Advanced Settings to view it. Then, register the MAC address through the Xfinity app or website. This creates an association that allows your Xbox to connect directly to authenticated hotspots without re-logging in each time. Remember, not all Xfinity hotspots support MAC address bypassing, so check their website or app for specific instructions and availability. A more reliable alternative to Xfinity hotspots is using your smartphone as a mobile hotspot. This completely avoids captive portals and uses your mobile data plan instead, providing stable connections, especially with 5G technology, offering speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. Simply enable the hotspot feature on your phone and connect your Xbox to that Wi-Fi network. Public Wi-Fi hotspots like Xfinity's pose significant security risks for your Xbox gaming. Threats such as man-in-the-middle attacks can intercept your data and disrupt your gameplay. Your Xbox gaming traffic is not encrypted by default on public networks, making it vulnerable to eavesdropping and cyber attacks. According to cybersecurity reports, gaming-related threats on public Wi-Fi have risen by 20% in recent years. To protect yourself, always use a VPN on your Xbox. A VPN encrypts your gaming traffic, creating a secure tunnel that shields your data from potential threats. Many VPN providers offer dedicated apps or router configurations compatible with Xbox consoles. Popular options include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and others that support gaming devices. Surveys show that 40% of Xbox users employ VPNs for added security. Section 8 covers troubleshooting and tips for connecting your Xbox Series S or X to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots. First, ensure your Xbox is updated to the latest OS. Firmware improvements from 2024 and 2025 enhance Wi-Fi connectivity and support for public networks. If issues persist, try restarting both your Xbox and your modem or router. This can clear IP conflicts and timeouts common with captive portals. For persistent problems, consider a wired connection via Ethernet cable to a router or hotspot-enabled device. This bypasses Wi-Fi issues entirely and provides stable gaming. For additional help, check Xbox support or Xfinity help resources. They provide detailed guides and can assist with specific issues. Remember, connection success rates to Xfinity hotspots average 60 to 70%. So persistence pays off. Try different approaches until you find what works for your setup.